In the Northridge earthquake of 1994, approximately 12,500 homes were damaged or completely destroyed. Without any warning, thousands of people were forced out of their homes. In less than 20 seconds, this one earthquake caused a whopping $20 billion in damage. And to be frank, there's a very real threat that this can happen again. In fact, according to the most recent comprehensive study conducted by the United States Geological Survey, the probability of having one or more earthquakes in California as large as the Northridge quake or larger over the next 30 years is greater than 99%. But it's not just Californians that face the devastating risks of an earthquake. The same study indicates that nearly half of Americans live in areas prone to earthquakes, and that since 2009, earthquake activity has sharply increased due to man-made earthquakes in central and eastern states. Most notably in Alabama, Arkansas, Colorado, Kansas, New Mexico, Ohio, Texas, and South Carolina. And in Oklahoma, the seismic activity has skyrocketed. It's now 600 times greater now than it was in 2008. And let's not forget about the Cascadia fault that runs from Northern California through Oregon, Washington, and into Canada. Many experts have noted that an earthquake in this region is overdue. And with this news, FEMA isn't taking any chances. They've already started planning for an earthquake that would devastate the Pacific Northwest and has the potential to be the worst disaster in the history of North America. So you can see the danger is real. And in fact, it's almost inevitable. But are you prepared if your home was to be damaged or destroyed in an earthquake? How would you pay the cost of rebuilding, or even repairs? Or how would you pay to replace your household possessions, like your flat-screen TVs and computers? Would you be able to afford temporary housing and still pay the mortgage on your damaged or destroyed house during reconstruction? The fact is, most homeowners are not prepared to deal with the financial devastation that earthquakes can bring. They are caught by surprise when they realize that their standard homeowner's insurance policy does not cover the damage that an earthquake created. Just like flood insurance, earthquake insurance is most often an additional policy that is purchased separately. So how will you protect yourself against the looming threat and financial hardship of an earthquake? Relying on the government is never a safe bet. And for most homeowners, your house is your biggest single asset. So it's unlikely that you have the amount of money laying around that you'd need to rebuild. That's why you should strongly consider getting an earthquake insurance policy. Earthquake insurance can give you the peace of mind that your home and valuables are protected. Call us today so we can help you decide if an earthquake policy is right for you.